To modify the global setting for typography, you would go under Style and Typography. And here we can change many fonts. So there's different font options available here, and these fonts correlate with google.com/fonts. So from here, you can certainly pick your favorite font. So if I want to go with, for example, Oswald, then I would find it here, and then I could search for it in this list here. So I can type in Oswald, and here it is. So from here, this is going to change our main text font everywhere. This is for the headlines. And then if I want to change the text font, I can do that as well. Let's see, we have different fonts. You can also adjust the base font size. So if you want this a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller in proportion to everything else, you can certainly do that. And then of course with mobile, we can adjust those settings independently as well. This variant signifies the weight of the font. So if I want this to be more of a light font, then I can do that with this variation. Or if I just want to do regular, I can certainly do that. And then the last section down here is the transformation. So if you want all of the buttons to be uppercase or lowercase, you can do that here. Navigation, if I want to change that to a normal size, I can certainly do that. And there's a few other hidden behind me, such as section titles. That's pretty much everything for the typography. You can ignore this, how the Google fonts will be loaded. And if you don't want to load Google fonts at all, then you could check that box. But there's no reason to do that because that just removes all of the custom font options.